Hi, this is Jordan with Moon and Owl Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deep link your website like we talk about in the How to Increase Your Traffic tutorial, where we showed you that we increased one of our B2B clients' website weekly average traffic counts from about 2,500 to over 11,000 views per week. That's a 278+% increase. We talk about how you can do this manually using a spreadsheet like this in the tutorial article, but I'm going to show you a much easier way because this can become a nightmare to manage very quickly. So now let me show you how easy it is to deep interlink with this plugin. So this is one of our clients, Texas Breast Center. One of the things they want to rank on is breast cancer treatment. That's a very important term on which they need to rank. So let's say I want to write a supporting article to help us get more information out about this and to rank on this term. The first thing I do is obviously select this category. And then I know a keyword that gets a lot of searches related to this because I've done my keyword research. And it's this, sentinel lymph node biopsy procedure. And so that's the keyword I want to rank. And so what I can do is write an article called "What is a sentinel lymph node biopsy procedure?" I've got my keyword in the title. Now I start to write the article. I'll just type some random things. At some point I'd want to work the phrase breast cancer treatment. Maybe I call it a protocol, whatever, and I continue writing my article, right? Write it. What I want to do is come down to the plugin that we use, and there's several powerful things you can do with it, but I'm just going to show you one right now. So on this page, there's a tab called Links. I literally go into this box right here, and I know I want to rank on sentinel lymph node biopsy procedure. Once I save this article, because of the way I've set up this plugin, any other article that uses this term, sentinel lymph node biopsy procedure, that's also in this category, right? Because I want to keep everything tight. Any other blog that has this phrase in it will link back to this blog, much like Wikipedia, where you see a link inside an article back to this page. Why is that important? Because that puts a lot of juice to one page for anybody searching this term, sentinel lymph node biopsy procedure. All these links from other articles inside this silo category point to this page. And so it screams to the search engines, this page is very important about this. And in fact, you'll watch the rank of this page skyrocket. In addition, I can either go in and manually link this back to the anchor page, right? Breast cancer treatment. And I could come in and manually do a link. All right. Apply it. So now that's a link. So now I've got other blogs linking to this blog and this blog linking up to breast cancer treatment. So both those terms should rise in search because of this. That's how easy it is to use this plugin. You don't have to go into 100 posts and find every time you use this phrase inside the category and manually link it. It does it automatically. We'll be happy to put it on your site and get it set up for you where it doesn't over-optimize or put too many links per page. And then literally it is that easy every time you write an article to get it to be a long tail keyword that you can rank on while still ranking on this important major service term, and this would be a major product term. This can work on a giant corporate page, a small business product page, an e-commerce page, all kinds of things. And it's just a great way to manage deep interlinking on a website.